Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S coming to you from nowhere. Fourth part of November for YouTube special. Now, shall we get to Towers Hall, Georgia Tech with an oh so graceful Kone EcoSpace? One thing I want to point out, Kone EcoSpaces are only supposed to go 45 feet. Funny thing, this one goes 75 feet. Classic move. Let's just jump right into this, shall we? Dedicated to all Mr. Panda Pizza's friends at Duke Chip 2018.
That's Kone for you. I don't know if it's active or not. It should be active. I don't know if that card works or not. Still it. 0. KSS. Street entrance, I believe. Lights out there. You only see it. And resistant 140 KSS. Someone else is behind us. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I'm in the Duke Chip program.
Oh, which floor you guys want?
What's the highest students can access?
4. Which one is one?
Third.
Okay.
What's the other? Yeah.
Well, you say third or first?
Main office.
Oh, y'all trying to go to the first floor.
That's the first.
Too late.
That's what it is.
Yeah. It's all
We can
locked
go there first.
for 3. Man, this thing's a little glitchy today.
So that's that first floor, right?
Yeah, we're going to go first. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Hall locked. Oh, I did that. There you go. Kone.
Go ahead, Mike.
CS, please. Street, CS, please.
Please take the stairs down, Mike.
Yeah, I'm getting into the elevator.
Okay, go ahead.
CS, please. Street,
All the stairs for it, got you, yeah.
Holy crap, this thing's annoying.
You look free. Alright, let's go.
I'm out of here. Towers Residence Hall. Watch it go. I'm just gonna go to the elevator. Let's try a better take of this. This is the elevator at Towers Hall from Georgia Institute of Technology in Atlanta, Georgia, downtown. Kone EcoSpace MRL KSS 140. And I'm authorized. Here we go. Oop. There's a trash bag in here. Let's go down to CS. I don't know what that means, but very smooth going down. What the? Okay. It's up to 4. Alright, 4. Now we're gonna go back down to 1. 4. We're in cat view. I like the walls of this elevator, but it's basically just your basic Kone. Nothing really special. Here's a Mr. Hayes.
Mr. Hayes, yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Kind of drop ceiling. KSS 140 fixtures, vandal resistant indicator. Here's an ADA compliant phone. That is the standard for all Georgia Tech. There it goes. That's it. This time we're going to try to get a good retake. It's the elevator at Towers Hall, Georgia Tech. It's the last video before Elevators of 14S officially begins with doing that one. I did discover that fourth floor is open. What a noise! Okay, here it is. I like that chime. Kone KSS 140 classic. There y'all are. Thank you. This is Connector Street.
Thank you.
Watch out. Oh, sorry. Okay. We're gonna go up to 4. The infamous 0th floor that no one knows about. This thing's acting up. Getting out to Kone, so you never know about Kone. Okay, so here we are at 4. Smooth deceleration, I like that. Here we are at 4. Let's see if I can get a view. This is the view from the 4th floor. Fairly nice. There's Glen Hall, same setup at least. 4th floor setup different than 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. I hopefully won't be waiting very long. This is the hallway of the 4th floor. This is what most floors don't really look like this. There's normally rooms on both sides. This only has rooms on the left side. Classic mix. I hope there aren't any recalled goldfish in there. And I'm up here. Here we go. Good. Access control, single slide door, nothing special to this elevator. Alright, well, let's go down to Connector Street. Oh my gosh. Fairly nice elevator, stopping at 3. I think. Okay, here we are. Hey, what? Which one you going to?
Hey, we're going down.
CS. Okay, good. Re-leveled.
Filming away in here. Yeah. Do you have the envelope thing?
Do I keep the card?
Yeah, you keep the card, just get the key off.
Stopping at 1.
Hi, Natasha.
Oh, hi again.
Would you turn your key in?
I didn't turn it on.
Okay, good. Did you get your meds if you had some?
I don't have meds.
Okay. Okay. Why are you filming it?
Because I'm an elevator enthusiast and I like elevators. Oh crap, but we just seriously couldn't play. Mind.
We gotta go. Amy.
Yeah, but no.
You are?
Go, go.
No.
I'm gonna watch it.